Good evening, everyone. I'm here to discuss the takeaways of today's session. The main and primary takeaway of today's session is prioritization of things. How we should prioritize things in such a manner that we give perfect response or desirable response to a SRT. The priority which we need to follow and which we need to keep in mind is as follows. First is the pride of the nation. Second, people. Third, resources. And at last is self. And I have also learned that the response to any SRT should be in such a manner that it ticks all the boxes and satisfy what a psych seeks out of a candidate for different situations categorized into 4 factors of OLQs. You would have seen in my earlier videos, I have requested Lieutenant Commander Ilandamil Man to share some of his life experience in Indian Navy. He did share one experience today, which was really encouraging and eye-opening for me. I felt that an officer should be ready to work anywhere from top to bottom in the field where he is posted or for which he is responsible for. And the key factor which I have learned from man's sharing was that an officer should always strive to improve himself and should be ahead of his men in any manner, in any aspect, so that which in turn automatically generates good respect from his men. Thank you, man. Thank you for spending your time with us, especially for the experience which you shared with us. Thank you for this. We all will work towards that, towards one common aim of joining the forces. Thank you. Good night.